Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Emily and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what we did for our fall foliage, autumn, or day trip. So we went to the Kelder field farm, or actually it's just called Kelder Farms, and it was really cool because there were two of us. So once we paid for admissions, they gave us each a ticket. One ticket was for an apple cannon, so you get to shoot 3 apples in this apple cannon. So we didn't get to do this because the line was really long by the time we were leaving. That was really fun to watch. And they gave us cards for pumpkin picking as well. Lunch. So nice in here. Stopped to use the bathroom. It was really cute rest stop. My bladder hurts. So we are arriving. Kelder Farms, and parking is a case.
You have arrived.
Look at all these cars. Look at big gnome.
And of course, fun. This is Kelder's Farm Radio.
I was more like following them and watching them.
Donkeys can live up to 50 years old.
Look, he's waiting for her.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Look, he's biting the dang thing.
I'm so hungry. But you petted it before. Pellets come down. Why'd you pet it? Oh, but it's stuck there. I can't reach it.
Yeah, here we're gonna go
Can't touch him. Wow.
Probably why you don't throw it.
Hey, look, the other one's over here. Look.
That one's like stuck. Look at its belly. Baby goats are called kids. Oh my god. Nice. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, it's a baby.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Give me more.
I don't know, I'm scared.
He's gonna eat my. Oh my god! But he uses teeth.
He's using his teeth.
Yeah, give me more. This one's aggressive. Here you go, fella. Ay ay ay! He's gonna take my ring with him.
Why would you feed him with that?
You're hungry.
I'm gonna guard my hand like this.
You don't like. I have a dog that looks almost like you. Ew, look at the slobber on me. You like it? Yeah? Evil. Come on. Yeah, straight teeth. Oh my god. Look at my finger.
Like petting him, I just don't like him eating out of my hands. You gotta yank it down.
Good job. them. Just went down a tube slide.
Yeah. Would it be cool to say? Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow.
So this is a steal. So we're getting a bunch of them to decorate for our wedding. Thank you. That's the receipt. So far is buy 4 get 1 free. So I got 8, so we get 2 free. So we're trying to choose.
And the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna?
So we're definitely gonna save so much on flowers. Buy 4 get 1 free. So we got 10. And they're really full. Thankfully we took the truck today because we wouldn't have survived in the little car. Snack time. We have pesto pasta with chicken and mozzarella pearls and tomato. But I'm trying to look for, what am I looking for? Put a hat on because it started to rain a little bit, but I'm eating some buffalo chicken dip and some chips. We bought a bunch of mums. We're gonna go pumpkin picking, and then we're gonna get some carrots, not carrots, apples. This farm is so cute. The cows that they had here, oh, so adorable.
Like, I wouldn't eat, or I wouldn't make a PBJ sandwich, but if it's around, I'll always eat it. Yeah.
I see that. Yesterday you reached for it too. You're like, I'll eat that. It's a good just in case snack. We're waiting for family members to arrive. We got here at 1 and it's 2:26 right now. Need some of this pesto pasta. We are not going to spend on food. We spent on mums and we spent on apple cider donuts, which was definitely worth it, but not on food. It's too expensive. We like to travel on a budget. And this is chickpea pasta, so it's 20 grams of protein and chicken. He made it. I just packed it up. But let me show you what we brought. We brought the microwave, the battery anchor pack, so then we can heat up the pot roast he made last night. Let me show you this. Here's the battery pack that he uses. That's the anchor. And then we brought the whole microwave to heat up the food. So we brought the battery pack. Fuel up the microwave so we could heat up our food.
Yeah, that's good.
Saw you paint a picture of a
Recording.
face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would.
3, 2, 1.
Even though you wouldn't do the same.
So we made it to the pumpkin patch and we're trying to find the biggest pumpkin we can find. Let's see. Or at least pretty big. Oh shoot, this thing is big.
Put it in the, come on.
In the barrel?
Yeah.
It is really big. I think that's the biggest one.
Nah, bigger. Get bigger. Right there. Keep going. Gotta find one that's like super steroid out. This one got disease.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's big.
Okay, but can you carry it?
No, come on, I believe in your quality.
You think that one's good?
Yeah. Big boy. Dang.
Cute.
Oh dang.
Pumpkins. That are pumpkins. There's a pumpkin. You're turning right?
Yeah. Struggling. I definitely lost it. It didn't even go.
Never came out. What happened?
Ah!
2, 1. Woo!
Oh, dang.
Oh shit, wait. Oh, this is not coming out as I expected. Okay, never mind. So we got our pumpkins also because we wanted to decorate our wedding. This was right before our wedding, so we wanted to get the pumpkins and buy mums. So that's what we did. We went on this little fall trip, took all the beauty that nature had to offer, and then we just decorated our wedding with that. Who's coming up the stairs? Someone's coming. Someone's coming from the house. Hi. I just closed the door, sorry. I'm sitting on a bunch of pillows right now. So this was my lovely setup. I have a stool and 2 pillows. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As I always say, stay chic, stay true, stay you, and stay tuned for more. Bye.